Low and ask him to be white.
What's he doing?
I'm a construction site. I see it.
I see him.
Why do you guys need to clip him? What's happening?
He's bug abusing.
What's he
Bug abusing.
What's he bug abusing?
Are you guys clipping it?
Yeah, I'm clipping right now.
Well, what's the bug? What's the bug he's using?
Where the fuck did he? Did he drop down?
No, he went to the tower.
What's the bug?
The fucking...
Oh, I see him. I saw him. Yeah, he's up there. He's
Where is he?
on one of the buildings.
What's your trouble with party?
Oh, what the fuck? Oh, he
I
is
hear
chocolate
shockwave going
again.
off. Yeah, he's at the top of the building.
No,
You know you can counter that, right? So you could have just hit him back. Oh. Yeah, he's running. He's after me.
He's at the ground.
Where?
He's low.
He's going to the, like...
He's going to construction site to get him.
Construction site? I see him.
Just ambush him at the construction site.
Wait, I'm gonna wall him.
He's going inside.
Yeah, he's already gone inside. Sand split if you can.
I'm gonna wall him. Wait. Oh, I can't reach. What the fuck? Why is there a limit? Wait.
Fucking sleeper.
Going down now.
I see him. Yeah. Oh, these fucking sweepers, bro.
He's going up.
Okay, did you get him?
Oh my god.
Oh.
The fuck?
Bro, this
I
game
just-
cannot-
No, he has to get banned, bro. This guy has to get banned, bro.
What was he doing?
Okay, he's not that. He's very low
He's gonna
right
be-
now.
Ryan, what was he doing?
Oh, no, another fucking shockwave. Of course, man.
Wait, can you use Waltz and White on me?
Wait, where are
Come
you?
to the building. Here, I'm up here. I'm jumping.
I see.
me?
Wait.
Yeah.
Okay,
just-
man. I'm too bad.
Oh my
shit.
fucking god, bro.
He's at
Rocky
the...
can
He's
tell
on...
me what was happening.
Did you get it up? Did you get up?
No, I didn't.
He's spamming spicy soup as we speak in one now.
His friend...
Yeah, he was
Where is
spamming it when he was with me as well.
Retard, bro. Can't believe he's still bug abusing.
My fucking sound is so bad.
That dude's actually so ass at the game. He needs to quit it. Did you get a health pack by chance? Or no?
Why did that guy not get banned from last time, bro?
Because no one fucking...
I'm recording right now, so if he tries anything funny.
Yo, bro, what was he doing?
I mean, he's already done
Oh my
something.
god, bro.
Okay, is he down there? No, I'm going up.
He's down.
He's down?
Yeah, he went down. I'm pretty sure. Did you go down? I'm blue.
He's going up.
I'm down here. I don't see him.
Bro, this nigga is super.
Oh, I think it's. No, that's not.
He's so shit at the game.
Away.
Someone fucking reported that, bro. Because you don't use it for fucking script.
These niggas are really bad.
Oh, I see him. Yeah, I got him.
They recorded
Actually, so shit. Wait, can you use the zip lines in
When you're danger,
combat?
you shouldn't fucking go outside your fucking
Nah, bro.
Yeah, no, bro. He just sucks. Genuinely, he just sucks.
fucking recorded. I recorded.
No, ask if it's bannable first, and then if it is, then make a ticket.
Now he's fucking using the clock to stand up.
Where is he? Where is he?
He's going down. He's down.
He's down?
Oh, I see him. I see him. I see him. I want to invite him. I want to invite him.
Bro, this nigga literally sucks.
I died to fall, man. There's no fucking way.
Oh
Wait,
my
what?
God, I hate this guy. Happy birthday, man.
Yeah, dude. By the way, I downed him and he literally goes up in himself, dude. And then he jumped over the ladder.
Bro, let's go. Oh shit.
Oh, his friend ran. Does he know it's not PD?
They're both.
This guy generally used in chain, bro.
He's right here. Careful. Oh.
Let me fight him, he's running. They're both like absolute professional runners.
Done.
He's going up.
Let me 1v1 him, let me 1v1 him.
I would if he would. I would if he stopped running.
Yeah, he's gonna stop running in like 2 seconds if you leave.
Okay.
He thinks it's gonna just be a 1-on-1.
Okay, let's see.
He's still running to this point, bro. He's
See?
still running.
See? I literally stopped and he's still running.
No, he's not anymore.
I'm
Okay.
dead.
Oh, he got a health pack, lovely.
No, he's fucking infinite. Yeah, I'm recording him as well. He's also recording me up with